53. Scared, excited, and ready. Let's get into it. I have my phone right here for my notes to kind of keep me on track. I don't want to start rambling and get too far off the topic. But at 53, I am finally betting on myself. At 53, I'm choosing me over a 9 to 5. 7 years ago, I took a bet on myself. I left my job of 23 years because I wasn't happy, I wasn't fulfilled, and it was driving me crazy. So I chose a different profession. 7 years ago, I walked into that company. I made my way up the ranks fairly quickly into a management position. Now, I've worked the corporate life, showed up, handled responsibilities, and did what I was supposed to do. Corporate America isn't all that it's cracked up to be. But somehow, along the way, I started to ask myself, again, a different question. What if there's more out there for me? More to fulfill me? More peaceful things that I can enjoy? My happiness, my mental stability, and my overall health are the main things. But again, at 53, I'm realizing that it's not too late to chase something that excites me. It's not too late to take a chance on myself again. Yes, I should be preparing for retirement. But what good is retirement if my health isn't up to par, if my mental stability is not stable? What good is retirement if I don't plan for it today? It's not too late. It's definitely not too late to create a life that feeds more. Not feeds, but feels more like me. At least I've been thinking about stepping away from my 9 to 5, putting more energy into becoming a content creator. Absolutely. I am coming from something extremely stable to something that could be a little volatile. But it's worth a chance. If we don't step out on faith, we never know what is on the other side of that threshold. Sharing my outdoor activities and adventures, everyday experiences, those peaceful moments, challenges, and everything that I discover along the way. Those are some of the things that I would love to share with you. And those are the things that would make me happy. As I have viewed YouTube, I have seen a number of creators step away from their corporate job, step away from that 9 to 5, to do something that was definitely more fulfilling. Did they have struggles? Absolutely. Will I have struggles? Absolutely. But those struggles, I believe, are worth my happiness, my peace of mind, and Lord knows, my serenity. I will not walk this walk alone. I will truly ask for guidance and for Him to order my steps. Honestly, I don't have everything figured out, and I'm not going to pretend that I do. And honestly, it's okay. Starting something new is always scary. Taking a leap out on faith is even scarier. But if you don't challenge yourself, you will never know how resilient you really are. There's definitely uncertainty. There's definitely doubt. And of course, there is fear of failing, but there's always something powerful about knowing you finally gave yourself permission to try. Nothing beats a failure but a try. That's what my grandmama used to say. Maybe it's not quitting your job tomorrow, because I'm not. And you shouldn't either, without some sort of plan. But however, there are people that have done it that didn't have a plan and have turned out to be extremely successful. They stayed consistent, they showed up, and they did what they were supposed to do. Maybe it's about taking the first step towards something different. At 53, I'm choosing to believe that my best chapters are still ahead of me. I'm choosing courage over comfort, purpose over fear, dreams over what if, and me over the 9 to 5. If you've ever felt like you were too old to start over, change direction and pursue your dreams. It is never too late to do what you love to do. If you have stayed and watched the video this far, thank you. Continue to come back every day and watch this journey unfold, step by step, fall by fall. Together, we can do it. Just remember, have faith in yourself and always bet on your success. Until the next time, have a good day. Peace.